beautiful peoples. We are going to pick up Papa's brand new car. We're very excited. Ayan guys, I think that's a car. Oh, ayan na guys. Nagilak na kumain. Oh pala, we're gonna eat pala lunch. Ayan. We're gonna eat here. Now we're done eating lunch guys. So Papa blessing na tayo. Dito ang entrance. Paasa ka pa? Naog na bay! Go bay! Run! Run for your life! So right now guys, we are going to pick up Papa's brand new car. Toyota Innova. Yes. 2.8e. So we're all here to support Papa. So ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa... Asa ganini? Asa ganini? Panang usana na
Maayo Shipping Incorporated, San Jose.
San Jose Maayo Shipping. Yeah, San Jose Maayo Shipping. So dito ipapaship yung ewan ko. At dito ipapaship yung car ni Papa kasi yung car niya kinuha pa siya sa Cebu. Ayan. So we're here in Dumaguete. So kailangan siyang ipaship. So right now we're here to support Papa. We're gonna pick up the car and we're very excited. Ayan, meron pa akong pimples and everything. Okay guys, so we're just gonna update you kung ano yung itsura ng car and all the details. So we'll see you guys in a bit. So right now guys, Papa and Kuya Mike are patiently waiting for the car. Bye. Papa na, nalak ka. Papa. Yes, so Papa, they're walking right now. Ayun guys, pagpasensyahan, nandito actually kami sa labas. Yan, we're not allowed to go there. Oh my God! Again, tayo na mapakailapan ko. I think Papa's gonna cry guys kasi parang achievement niya to eh. Asa-asa na una? Kaya kakita ko, gipalight ka na. Ayun! Ayun! Nag-move na siya. Nag-move na siya guys. Ayan guys, I think that's a car. Ayan. Ayan. Oh, welcome to the family Crimson. Natulong na akong luwa. Hindi na ako ganitulong na akong luwa. Oh, yan na guys. Oh my gosh, right now umigiyak na kami dito. Hi, Crimson! Oh my God! That's it! Papa's new car! Crimson! Oh my gosh! Nahilak sa ko! Crimson!
We have to go, sorry.
Hi!
Come in.
Dali, dali!
Hi guys, naghilak namin.
Naghilak na ko! Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Bibiyaan ang bago, no?
Yung kwarta. Kwarta.
Yes! Papa, say hi!
Sila din na.
Hi, Papa!
Hello.
Yay!
Thank you mga anak. Thank you.
Welcome on!
Wani.
Seatbelt. Kamura, pag seatbelt mo kami din kami.
Ako mag-seatbelt ko. Ayan guys, we're very happy right now. Nandito na kami ngayon. So,
na dito sa likod.
welcome to the family Crimson. Crimson yung tawag namin sa car.
Sa mo dire
And right now, we are heading to church. Church na Tadaricho. Yes. Ako pala, we're gonna eat pala lunch. Ayan.
Kulayo,
Kasi
Junis,
lunch time na. Ayan. So we're gonna eat here for lunch just by the sea. Mama, say hi.
Hi.
From your bounty, true Christ our Lord. Amen.
Amen.
The Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Amen. Let's eat. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Now we're done eating lunch, guys. So we're heading to church para sa blessing. Ayan, magpapa-blessing na tayo. Ayan. So, yan. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys. Since mag-open pa yung simbahan at 2 p.m. and we need to work. So ngayong Sunday na lang kami magpapa-blessing sa
sakyanan.
sa car, sa new car ni Papa. So, ayan, guys.
At ni Mama.
What can you say about our vlog today?
I like it because I'm so sleepy and it can do this and you have an aircon on top of the
Roof.
roof.
Okay, guys, so this is just a short video. We just want to share with you guys yung achievements ni na Mama and Papa, ni Day-Day, ng lahat. Ayan, so we just want to share with you guys this amazing moment. Okay, guys, so I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Facebook. Here, subscribe to my channel and click the bell button beside it to be notified every time I upload videos. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Bye, Day-Day. Bye, everyone.
Oh.